to show you something.
So we're going to come right through to the 90s, this one.
We've come a long, long way together, through the hard times and the good. I have to celebrate you, baby. I have to praise you like I should.
He's a big builder.
The 24 car to shower with the guest club.
Come. Show the camera.
Take the mornings, man.
Morning. What's the tiger say? What's the monkey do? Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Your song for me.
What song I sing? I don't like your attitude. I'm American.
Alright, right, get that job.
When there's no spring,
Happy birthday to you.
Have you ever thought about the future? Oh. Have you ever thought about the future? Yeah. But whatever you plan on happening never happens. Stuff you would never think of.
Happy birthday to you. That's no turn out.
You show the show. So you just have to.
Okay.
Okay. Bye-bye.
So you just have to. You have to come on. Come on. Come on.
Not nice. Give you all the papers.
Happy birthday to you.
Come on. 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 Come on.
Look like you're having fun.
Good morning, Hank.
What's the Irish government doing to fix things?
There's a potential Donkey Kong kill screen if you want to watch.
You're about to learn what a Twitter is, and you're also about to learn how it's slowly worming its way into a presidential campaign.
Here's our back garden. Looks like we're going upstairs. Okay, there's my room. Paul's room. Streams of pain.
Ahmet'im
stupid, Kane? You can't talk when you're dead. Hello, Kieran. Did you enjoy your day in Stonehenge? It was very stony. What the fuck? Oh, they've got a fire started now. How come we don't have a fire started? We don't.
Tell Kane to get the camera out of my face.
I'm only trying to make memories here. I'm beautiful. Whoa!
Oh, Nicholas. Tell Nicholas. I'm going to use him to start modeling. Yesterday. Oh, he became a model yesterday and he's already on the scene. Much more successful than you. Kim, what are you doing?
What are you doing, Avie? What are you doing?
Sitting here waiting for my stuff.
What are you going to do when you go home?
I'm going to go home and have a cup of tea. And then I'm going to start my homework. I have so much homework.
Yeah, and what do you have to do for homework?
I have English, and I have Irish, and I have physics, and I have maths, and biology.
Biology. Excited?
This feels like Christmas morning. What did you get, Amy? What does it do, Amy?
And if you can tell yourself anything in 20 years, what would it be?
Well, if I'm still alive. What age will I be in 20 years? 36. Oh, this is what I need to tell myself. I won't do anything different. I'll go, watch out for Keenan. He's going to kill you. Peace out, bitch. This was Captain's Log 239.
Say bye.
Stargate, bye.
Darylus Nautilus. Mr. Matthew Broderick. Albertus Maximus. Gladiator. The rowdy politician attacked the camera crew.
There's Keen. Hi, Keen. What do you want to say to YouTube? Hold on, it's not to gear. Who's the forum?
Keen has to keep this as a memory because he's leaving this year. We're going to send him a message each for Keen because he will see it.
I guess. Put up all your raw footage in just a one long, big long YouTube video.
Equality.
Film that.
Her name is Yoshimi. She's a black belt in karate. Working for the city. She has
You want to see me kinda?
she knows that it's demanding to defeat those evil machines.
Damn, Keen. Back at it again with the back school shoes.
Stop being a weed fire.
How do you feel about your last ever applied maths class, Rory? What?
We want to be free. We want to be free to do what we want to do. We want to get loaded. We want to have a good time.
Hey, baby, let's go.
We're going to have a party.
Yeah!
Welcome to Let's Pick the 2016. They have all sorts of music. Shit music. Music at least.
Tomorrow.
Bye, kid.
And this is Team B production meeting.
Whoa!
Team B. Has everyone apart from John had a quick glance at the screen.
No.
Eamon, tell me about yourself.
Where do you want to start?
Oh no, I have to say stuff. No, ask me a question.
Would you guys rather live in a world where we didn't have to like go to the toilet and poop and piss and stuff? Or would you like to be in this world? Because I was thinking about it, and like, in one half you're like, if you don't have to repeat, you can be really productive and get stuff to do. But then the other half, like, I feel like you need that time alone to find yourself.
Like, it's insane. He was so powerful.
There's an idea, right? There's a philosophy. It's like the 7 seconds theory. There's no way you can prove that the world wasn't created 7 seconds ago.
Yoshimi, they don't believe me. But you won't let those robots eat me.
Oh no, don't you're so fascist!
You're a fascist. You're a fascist.
I love spending time with you.
Oh, that's so nice.
We know how to procrastinate.
Petula and Keen set up a game for Andrew and we're recording it.
We need you to go to the secret stairs now. We need you to run.
Secret stairs. We nearly got run over.
Yeah.
Is that it?
School's out.
Are you going?
Yeah, I want to go on the adventure too.
If you had one checkpoint, where would you put it?
Oh.
Checkpoint. As if I die and go back there.
Yeah.
I would put mine halfway through 6th year.
After college.
After college, not yet.
What about you, Keen?
God, yeah, it looks good.
Okay, go.
Wait, is that new?
Hey!
Happy birthday.
Excited for the storm?
The storm is deadly, look. There's Dublin, nice twister.
He looks like Kenny, doesn't he?
That was the ideal.
Pizza Hut now, the doghouse now, but the local chipper, looking good.
I'll talk to you later.
3.
Is that on?
2,
1.
It's gymnastics and I'm spinning and I'm spinning and it's...
Good night, guys.
Good night, good night.
Where are we going?
I actually don't know where this...
Do you know what it's called?
Oh, it's called Hollywood. It's like, it's a real movie. We're actually shooting films, guys.
Kira, get out of the way. It's cooking with Eamon. Tell us about this dish. Where does it originate from?
Italian traditional dish.
Okay, you excited for Eamon's chicken tikka masala?
What's going on over here?
High five.
Have you guys ever seen reverse charades?
Jar Jar.
Now, if you excuse me, I have to go write a 2,000-word essay.
Have you not written that? All this is going out.
Yeah.
He was like, yeah, no, like, it's a shame. I could see what you guys were going for. Like, it was weird. I was like, yeah, we were going for obscure. It's like, yeah, pretty fucking obscure, mate, yeah.
DJ Enron.
School's out.
I get wind, I hope. Just like a feeling inside, it's no joke. I know it hurts me to treat you this way.
Positive vibes on.
When are we getting a Harry Potter remake, John? It's a TV show.
2034.
God, our client can see that.
I feel this going on camera quite frequently because a lot of my stuff is dramatic and falling apart.
Bit of a fucking disaster, man.
Oh. Wow. Lovely day.
Drama on set, am I right?
Crazy, so crazy.
I came in and there was 4 people painting it blue and I said, guys, what are you doing? And each of them blamed the other. Got so carried away and I just started painting.
Oh, steps on set. Yeah, well, TikTok. You don't know what TikTok is, Paul? What's TikTok?
TikTok's shit fine.
You gotta be a big fan of the
Join it.
I don't want to be
Join it.
What's going on?
Jesus Christ!
How will you feel once you get your pack submitted? Final year of college.
I mean, we haven't even entered our final year of college.
Yeah, but
so.
once you do this, then you have, basically.
No, not really.
Yes.
John's not getting right.
How are you going to feel when you have it submitted?
Empty inside. Look at this. I'm gonna put it in cyber psychology. turn around the camera. Look at his face.
I just need to zen out for a while because I'm too stressed.
22!
Well, John, I'm sick of carrying this camera around. Instead, I'm going to get other people to do it.
No, you can't do this! What are you doing?
This thing's up to small now.
Okay.
Oh my god.
No, it's not.
Because it's switching between so many different people's perspectives. So 1 week it was his dog's perspective on life, and it's been me, like I think John, Atoin, Adam,
I completely forget to take out the camera.
Fanula. So like it's gonna be really weird. Just
My favorite character in the Pokemon was the fly.
I love Pokemon.
We are your future.
Sugar all over the camera.
What makes you happy?
I especially like these kind of moments when we're just like exploring, recording some silly content on a silly camera.
It's kind of cheap, not silly. This camera.
Maybe I'll put it up here. Oops.
Guys, get closer.
Yeah.
Eamon, you didn't get closer. You did the opposite. Wait.
Oh my god.
There it is.
This is extremely warm.
Where's Tiernan?
Tiernan is under this box. We buried him. He's dead.
Any years beneath us, it's all about being professional and serious, but when you can find the time to have fun, have it.
Oh, weirdly philosophical.
Andy, are you excited?
Parasite.
We had a great time in Poland, and my golly, are we gonna have a fun rest of the year?
We are currently taking all the computers home because the college is shutting down due to COVID-19.
So what are everybody's plans? Are we going to stay around Dublin? Are we going to float off in different directions?
News is that the college is closing quiet.
Things are happening now. Hey Fee, where's Ronan?
I don't know. Call me Eddie.
Eddie Rats.
I need to get the charger.
I know, yeah, it's quite low. Yeah, it's saying low on battery.
I assume you're in Portlaoise, or back Portlaoise these days?
Yes, I'm in Portlaoise. So we did the whole puzzle, and there's one piece missing. Yeah. Are you sure Dad didn't hide it? It'd be pretty good, wouldn't it? Just a tree on this. That's all we have.
Oh my god. What did you find?
What? I don't think I took enough off the top of it. You mean?
I think that I took a lump out the top of it.
Let's go again. He's expecting something to be cut off or something like that.
I haven't seen Keith in ages. What are you doing?
Just running for a job.
What do you have to do for it?
Just have to fill in. It's the usual. It's the exact same form as all of them.
Oh, a bit of energy, Michael.
Oh, I'm doing the tour. Yeah. This is the second edition of my house.
We've got a graveyard?
Oh, we could have a quick look at the water park. No,
Can you play music?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. Nobody's here, so.
Hi, Coin. Hello.
Which side does it go from?
Oh, it's starting.
Now, in the morning, when I get up for my breakfast, I come out and I walk around here. Here, do I see a poppy house over there? I think it's a red one over there. Is that me delicate looking, that little flower? I don't know how it got there.
You don't know how anything got anywhere.
No. For such a small little place with plenty in it.
Yeah. We've got it now. How's that, Rado? Very good.
Keen Murphy. So what's happening today?
I'm getting my vaccine.
Here he comes. He's looking out.
Start recording. Yeah.
I'm having fun. I'm having lovely.
This is the best fun I've having all day.
You can do anything. You can end the game.
The game goes on.
Swallowed by the tide.
Warm ships to warm me up.
And when we come back home, leave our hearts by the ocean. Count the seagulls in our minds.
Goes out. Very good. What am I putting this in? This is the this is the opening of 25.
I'm a potato with arms. Hey.
There. Am I looking to you or the camera? I am the camera.
I got 0, 0, 0, right?
Oh, I got 0, 0.
Animals, Noah. Yeah. You take one of him.
Entry.
Come on, 8.
Again,
we took off game 10 a few days ago.
Got shit on by a bird.
Old, we're really old. Like I'm gonna be 25, a quarter life crisis.
You're not even 25 yet?
Keen, why? You just film everything.
You only film things that go badly for me. Alright, we're going on an adventure.
The man doing man's work.
You're getting the horror movie shop?
Yeah. Into that? Oh, it lit up. Jesus! Shit.
Do you remember the first time you went on TikTok?
Will I show you what my first saved video for?
How many days have you been home now?
Like, what is this?
It's about COVID.
Kitty, what are you doing? Dairy cheese on the vegan burger. It's still lighting. Okay, wait, hold that. Oh, wow. Oh.
I think I'm gonna get a new, smaller handy cam. This is too big, isn't it?
Oh, right in the middle.
The second I let my guard down, though, it's gonna happen.
Whoa!
I think we got it.
And I'm at the end of my rope. It's so tough just to be alive. When I feel like the living dead, you're giving it up so plain. You're living your lives in vain. And where are you going to?
early version of I Still Haven't Found What I'm Looking For came on my phone when I was walking and I had to turn it off because I was about to start crying.
Gotta really try so hard to get by. And where are you going to?
How much did we win?
11!
You happy, man? Yeah.
You're filming me secretly taking photos of me.
Bye.
How long do you think that
Bye.
Whoa, since the beginning of time.
Be happy, life is soon over. Smile, you are ugly.
2, 1, let it rip!
And she played my favourite song of Midnight's, Maroon, and I cried.
That's true. We all cried yesterday a little bit.
And then I cried when everybody was leaving during Betty.
A couple of days ago, he sent me a video of a reg of a car that I haven't owned in 4 years. And then I was like, why are you editing something that is potentially over 4 years old? And I want an answer.
Okay, I'll clarify for you. The video was actually from 8 years ago. It wasn't.
Whoa. So what are you editing?
That's your clarification.